So today it's a knotty chicken. Ooh, I'm a knotty chicken. Ooh, I'm a knotty chicken. And I want a knotty rub. Okay, so take out our knotty chicken. We're just gonna go ahead and trim some of this stuff off. The dogs will love you for it. So with chicken, in order to keep them moist through the roast, I just take a spoon, loosen all this up in here, inside this guy here with a spoon backwards, dull edges, so it won't break that skin when you're doing this. So when you open this up like this, then butter pats. You can use bacon, you can use butter pats, you could use, you know, the big thing now is Wagyu, tallow, beef tallow, whatever you want. But I just like to stick that up in there so that as this bird's cooking, it's getting plenty of moisture throughout it. And butter, bacon, all that is yummy stuff. I try and place it up higher on the breast here so that as it melts, it kind of runs down through all the parts of the bird. And then, as you know, I like olive oil for a binder. Again, our good friends at Cobram Olive Oil here. It's a state olive oil. What does that mean to you? That means it's grown on their property and they're processing it. That means there's a higher degree of quality and chain of custody that you're not getting with other products that are not estate. So that's what that means. We're just gonna give this bird here a little rub. Ooh, I like to be rubbed. Okay. When I was a kid, I used to catch falcons, and this is what we'd feed them, is chicken necks, because the bones in it would help them digest. You get chicken necks from the grocery, give them to me when I was a kid, and I'd chop them up fine, and I'd feed them to my little kestrel falcons. Kind of a fun little deal when I was a kid. Now we're gonna give this bird a little knotty rub. Come over, backside here, get those legs good. Everybody likes to rub down the breast. See how you guys are? Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about the chicken. The chicken! Hey, there's our bird, rubbed down, ready to go. If you want to cook it faster, don't put anything on the inside. If you want it more moist, put a little bit of lemon or citrus or apple or some onion inside the cavity here. I'm going to actually throw some garlic and some onion and maybe some apple in there, but not a whole lot. And then we're just going to put this bird on the smoker. We're going to go on at about 300 to 315 for a bit, and then we can go up in temperature to get it crisped up, but we'll be going on. Oh, I placed this thing on the grill, on this top grill that moves a little bit so I can adjust that heat as it's cooking. Now I know this grill decently well. I know over here is hot, I know over here is a little colder. This is about where I want it for a nice even cook. We'll watch that as we go. We'll make the adjustments as we need it. This bird's on. We went up to 315. It's coming up to heat. I'm going to put a little smoke to it as it's coming up to heat. This bird, with the ambient temperature it is out, the temperature of the bird when we put it on, all that, I'm guessing about an hour and a 15. We'll be at 165. Will be just perfect to pull her off, and it'll be ready. We just pulled our knotty chicken off. As you can see, she's cooked to perfection. It's golden brown. If you pull on this leg, it's going to want to come right out, or this wing. That's how you're going to tell where your joints are. I'm sure that if we probe this, we're going to be at that 165, 170 inside. 162, 3, 4, 5. So we're perfect on temperature. We're perfect on the pull test. Everything's absolutely beautiful and delicious. We've got some of these peppers around, some of this garlic. We'll let this guy stand. We'll cut it for dinner. It'll be absolutely delicious. Happy grilling.